In front of me is CUBOT X19 S, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial numbers on this device. So let's start with the quick option to open IMEI numbers. To do it, just open the phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *#06#. And here you've got both IMEI numbers assigned to this CUBOT. Click on OK to close it. And now you can reach both IMEI and serial numbers via settings. To do it, click on Settings icon, select System, and go to Advanced. Now click on About Phone and go a bit lower. And as you can see here, you've got both IMEI numbers, and if you click on Model and Hardware, you will find also serial number. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.